presentation of colors by the Furman Creek High School Marine Corps JR OTC Color Guard. They will be at the finish line end of the track.
Can you see how the dawn's early light was so proudly hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose voice was and bright stars through the perilous fight. For the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets that flew, the bombs bursting, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Here tonight. So fans of this time,